In this video, let's see how to add a credit note to a bill in Xero. Visit Xero official website and enter your login credentials to access your account. After logging in, select the Business tab from the navigation bar. Select Bills to Pay from the drop-down menu. Choose New Credit Note from the drop-down menu. Enter the sender's name in the From field on the form. Click the Currency drop-down icon to choose the currency. Click on the Item field to enter an item. Click on the Description field to add details about the item. Click Add a new line to insert another entry. Finally, click the Approve button, highlighted in green at the bottom right of the form. So, this is how to add a credit note to a bill in Xero.